Hello YouTube, how you guys doing today? Well, we got major news to go over today. Man, where do I begin? So, I know my last video didn't get a lot of views, but what's crazy is I was showing something that I wasn't even seeing many people talk about on YouTube, and that's the altcoin season index, which, as you can see, we have officially tapped altcoin season. Now, this can go down, like, don't get me wrong, this is all based off of the top 50 coins performing better than Bitcoin, and that is what makes it altcoin season. Um, but besides this, this is major, and we are getting up, the this can definitely change, don't get me wrong, but we have broke the altcoin season index officially. Now, the thing, the other thing I want to talk about is XRP. This is insane what has happened overnight. As you can see, this is all support now. So let me change. This was, and get rid of this one. Okay. So as you can see, we are definitely in a crazy spot. And I have these zones marked up because these are high levels of support now. They were resistance. And I know sometimes my charts might look crazy, but I understand what I'm looking at. So if the box is red, it's resistance. If the box is green, it's support. Okay. Now we are going to be possibly hitting the all-time high of $3.50. I'm gonna mark up about $3.20 to $3, and I'm also gonna do this because this is an important spot, and that, oops, hold on, this right here is an important area, but I also need to make this green. So as you can see, just overnight, man, we rallied like crazy from $1.80, where was it, $1.80 about here, all the way to $1.92. I mean, we're up 50%. Man, I remember I was buying this at 40 cents. I mean, just November 5th, you could have got in at 48 cents. I mean, just from the beginning of November to now, XRP is up 465%. And this is only the beginning. I want you guys to understand that this right here is all because of Gary Gensler, chair of the SEC, getting booted out, resigning, but really he's resigning because he knew Trump won and Trump was going to boot him out. That's the only reason. But you know, I wish I had bought more XRP, but it was just I've been trading it daily, but not I didn't long term I didn't buy more than I wish I would have. But it was just a really tough time. As you can see, like all the way from 2021, like it's just been really hard since May of 2022. Just a sideways nothing. I mean, gradually, barely going up from 30 cents to 50 cents, 60 cents. It was just sideways movement. I mean, look at that. Just the worst consolidation period any coin could possibly want to be in. And it's all because of those lawsuits that were going on, the SEC just messing with them constantly. I mean, they were going to go after Ethereum next. I mean, and please watch my SEC Gary Gensler video. I believe it's like the one that got the most views, to be honest. Go watch that one. it'll explain, you know, the Gary Gensler, who he is, why, you know, I went into depth about XLM and XRP and why they've been running. But now XRP ran even more just overnight. And, you know, that is, you know, a big reason for this. Obviously, a lot of money's been, we're going to look at, like always, we're going to look at the dominance charts and see what's going on. Like I thought, Bitcoin dominance was going to go lower and break. And we're going to move this to here now, because we're going to see what it does at this zone that I just marked up. Because we're approaching, if you take the fib, we are approaching, well, let's look at it like this. The 0.5, if you go to this low, this high with the fib, we are right at the 0.5. So it is in a good spot. I'm going to get rid of these. We've already, I mean, we literally, that's why it's very important, man. You guys subscribe, like, follow, comment. Please bring your friends. I mean, I've called nothing but hit after hit on trades. And it's like, I'm trying to just give free information that, you know, people can make money on these ideas and trades. Since starting the channel, if you go back, I believe I'm like 12-1 on my call outs. 12 wins, 1 losses. And I told you guys that XRP, I called out an XRP trades, Solana trades, multiple trades. But the other thing I want to point out here, Solana is now, where's CoinGecko? So, new statement. So, Garlinghouse is the CEO and founder of XRP. Ripple is XRP. Departure to make all the boats rise. I think the biggest thing is, you know, the Gary Gensler possibly reach $100. That would be crazy. That would be crazy. So this isn't telling us a whole lot. I'm trying to figure out. So yeah, let's look at this. Oh, not yet. Okay, this is what. So Wisdom Trees files for XRP ETF. So I truly do believe XRP is definitely going to be getting an ETF. I'm not doubting that at all. Yeah, I think this was a big power move, mainly institutions buying it up. They know that XRP, now that the SEC's out the way, they know that XRP is going to get an ETF. I mean, it's BlackRock, all these big companies are talking about using, they want XRP to be leading the banks, the digital currency for the banks. So Solana got surpassed by XRP today. I mean, dude, XRP went from, I mean, the 24-hour volume is $61 billion. I just had to double check. $61 billion. Just overnight, you know. I mean, just in 24 hours, they got Dogecoin's entire market cap. I mean, that's how much it was. Solana is definitely taking a hit today because of that. And oh wow, Moodang went up 51% today. See what else is the largest gain? XYO. Wow. Don't know what Black Angus is. Probably some meme coin. Gotta remember some of these. HBAR up 48% today. That's a big one. Arrowbud. Wow. I've been seeing a lot of people talk about that one too. RAPT, XRP, Dash went up. Quant. Wow. Wow. Quant is moving. And I hold Quant. So I was buying it like down, I believe, no, lower than that. I was getting it, well, maybe it was $60, $70. $60. Okay, so I was buying it like 60, so didn't get a huge bag of it, but Chainlink, by the way, Chainlink is going. Ski, a lot of guys in my group chats have been talking about Ski. It's a meme coin, I believe, on Ethereum, and it's been doing pretty well. People have been definitely talking about it. Yeah, it's Aerodrome. Yep, it's Ethereum. Ethereum has been going crazy. Now let's look at the losers. Obviously it's gonna be a lot of meme coins. Wait, what? Oh, it dropped again. Okay. Yeah, it's we're just looking at a bunch of meme coins here. But let's just go back. I mean, XRP took the win. This is crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Actually, let's click on news. I actually don't hold HBAR. Pepe Unchained. I don't always trust this website. I just want you guys to know this. By Wildmit. Pre-sales really scare me. I'll be honest. They scare me. I really avoid pre-sales. I've learned my lesson, and I'm never gonna. I mean, unless things really change, I'm never gonna get on here and recommend pre-sales. I would prefer not to. So, Ethereum. Hold on. Hitting a pretty, could be some support, but not. It's internal. Not. I mean, it's internal, and I mean it does match the 2.7 level. It would need to come down just to maybe here. Does have some spots, but it's not like super huge to me. I wonder if I can get the XRP dominance. Yep, right here. We need that. See, I want. Hold on. So, putting up here. So, excluding top 10, I want the top 10 dominance, and that's a chart I need to find. I mean, XRP is almost at 5% of the market. But let's go look at, since everything's dropping, we should be able to find some entries, which I have, and I'm gonna go over what I am looking at. Man, Chainlink is pumping. Uniswap is pumping. You know what frustrates me, guys, is Saturday I was thinking about taking a long. I didn't do it, but I thought about taking a long right here, and I was gonna go to $14. I thought about it. I'm not gonna say I did it because I didn't. So, you know, it is what it is, but I was thinking about taking that. I am still holding an XRP trade. Um, it's crazy I've been holding it this long, but I definitely I'm still in it. My entry. Oh, that's weird. Huh. I don't know why it's not showing my entries. What the heck? Hold on. Shows my entry for Ethereum. Why doesn't it show? Oh, there we go. I got all the way in down down here at $1.40 on my trade. Unfortunately, that is one of my smaller accounts. I usually just trade Forex with, so I'm not crazy up. But man, gotta ask yourself, why didn't I take that trade on my crypto trading leverage account? You know, my main account, really. But this is what I see right now. I know this original idea hadn't even been hit yet, but I took a buy here and I want to take it. I mean, really, I want to get 4,000 Ethereum, $4,000 Ethereum. And I just don't know if this will take it there. But what I want to see, let's zoom down. It's still possible to take this trade, okay? And I did call it out on my groups. I just don't know about Bitcoin. I'm going to show you what I see. So Bitcoin came down, tapped into here. But to me, this is what I see on Bitcoin. So drop, right? I took a buy here. We took profit already. It closed. That's why I don't show it no more. It's a done trade. When it tapped into 98.7, I closed it because I wanted to see it break above right there. I wanted to see it break this resistance. Fortunately, it didn't do that. That was my indication to leave the trade. Okay. I want to show you what I see. So came up, tapped this resistance at 98.7, 98.8, whatever, broke down. That was my first indication. Now, when it came back up to here, this would have been a great short position, okay? This would have been a great entry. And we hit this support, came back up, could have been another second entry, okay? That could have definitely been our entry right there. Now, as you can see, we came lower. We broke this support here. Now, the question is this high enough? I don't think it is. I personally see if we can get, 96 range, hit this trend line, then come down, would make more sense to me. Okay? And I would want to take this down to 91,000 perhaps, depending on what happens in here. Okay? But I think we could wipe through that easy. I think we could get down to this major support. As we can see, the Bitcoin dominance is dropping. Okay? But also keep in mind, like I just showed you, we are at the 5 level. what happens in this support, okay? And it is support. I mean, we are in support. And sure, altcoins are running right now. XRP's mainly taking the lead, but is everyone gonna let Bitcoin just die off right now? No. Are we hitting major, support on the dominance chart? Yes. This is the 0.5 to 382 level. Oh yeah. Render hit $9 and now it's dropping. There's a lot going on. There's a lot of good stuff going on. Maybe your favorite coin's not doing so well right now. Ooh, on Caspa, we hit this trend line. What's going to happen here? We tapped the trend line. This is good stuff. We broke this trend line, which indicated we're going to go up. But now we came back down to the trend line. And I think a lot of money was flowing into XRP and some of these other tokens. Man, I almost wonder if... this is major resistance. Anywhere in here. Major resistance. And I gotta admit, XRP could come down from here, but it might only come down to the 2.27 and then rally some more. So my whole thing is I'm gonna set something right here to come up into this 3 range. I'm not gonna take a short, but I'm just saying it could be a possibility because that rallied so much. SUI is approaching our major support. This could be a good opportunity. Now, Solana is having a power struggle, as you can see. And it's crazy, too. I mean, we did break higher, and then just tanked. And the real question right now is, what now? I know this is major support down here, the 200 level, $200. I think Solana might come down to the $200 range, 210 to 200. It's just major. It's a major magnet right now, and this should actually be about here. It's a major magnet, okay. And it's in the 382, coming to the 27 on the fib, and it's really just what's gonna move right now. I did take the Ethereum long, but Bitcoin, I don't know. I really think it's gonna come down to 90,000 maybe. And I think Solana's going to come down to 200. Now, Ethereum, on the other hand, I don't know. Because Ethereum and the altcoins are definitely running. And you would think Solana would be right there with it. And it's possible it does climb up from this. It is. Because just like Bitcoin, it's also in major resistance right now. Or support, I'm sorry. It's in major support. It's in the 5. Solana is really in major support, even more support than Bitcoin on the dominance chart. Remember that. So we do see more stable coins leaving, which I'm not surprised because they're going into real coins. Everyone in the stables are leaving the stables and rushing to the real coins or even a meme coin, whatever. Doge, responding okay. She breaking down. WIF is doing pretty bad, 11% today. But look at this, climbed higher, broke. But it broke into a major support zone. So, bonk, same thing going on. Yeah, double tap, boom. Pepe coin and Pepe Pepe's doing very well, or not doing very well, but I think it'll come down into this range, then maybe climb. Brett, GME's breaking down. Fuck. And what's crazy is GME just ran again to 63. Quant is doing amazing. If you look at Quant on, I almost sold my Quant too. Quant on the weekly chart, I mean, it's crazy. We're doing great. Doing really good. Wish I would have bought more Quant. Shit. It's crazy. The story about how I heard about Quant was so a couple of years ago I had a little business I started doing pressure washing and surface cleaning on driveways, but then also pressure washing houses and gutters. And in the process, I met a lot of people, obviously, and I met this guy that owned his own construction business. And this guy broke down why he thought Quant was going to be. He also thought, and hear me out, this is, I mean, obviously a little crazy, but he was saying that Bitcoin will be all bought up, it will explode, and it will be all bought up and mined. But what will they go to after there's no more Bitcoin? And he was talking about Bitcoin Cash. Now, I know Bitcoin Cash is not a very popular coin. But if you really think about it, it wouldn't surprise me if that happened. It really wouldn't, because Bitcoin could be all mined and bought up, and the next thing, if it survives the whole time, would be Bitcoin Cash. I don't even have the coin on my chart, but alright, BCH. Let's just look at it. Let's just look at it, yeah? Go to the daily. So, I mean, obviously it doesn't run like. Oh, this chart only goes back to, hold on. I need something that shows me its whole history. 2020, whatever. That's good enough. I mean, it did hit 1,600 a coin. We came down, I mean, if you really think about it, in this bear market, we hit fucking $47. So, I mean, it's done 1,400% in January, and it's still up 1,000%. So it's like, I wouldn't count it out necessarily. Is this the right coin? Hold on. Let me just check something. BCHN. Yeah, this is it. Okay. So the all-time high was, doesn't want to tell me. $4,000. And that was in like 2017, 2018 bull run. 2017 it hit that. I mean, I don't know. It's not something I even look at, to be honest, but it could become something big. And I mean, it's already got great returns. Like it's obviously it's pegged to Bitcoin, so like I'm gonna put it up here, and it's gonna be something, I just look at on the side. I don't think I should just count it out. I'm not saying I'm gonna go buy it today, but I don't think I should be counting it out either. If you compare it, obviously Bitcoin's gonna run better. You know, actually, Bitcoin Cash ran a bigger percent than Bitcoin did. It's just something to think about, you know what I mean? But oh man, this is getting all messed up. I want to fib down to the bottom to now. Let's see. I mean, obviously we're gonna be up above the 886, but I just wanted to see something. Mainly this. My next target is definitely 120K on Bitcoin. I mean, obviously everyone's gonna count for 110 and so forth, but I really want to see 120K. Don't know what's gonna happen here with this. It is Monday, a little bit slower. Maker, woo! Maker is doing great. Well, look at Solana. This is on the 15-minute. We're getting it's end of day, New York market, or almost the end of the day. I just don't expect a whole lot. Let's look at Twitter. Why don't we? Let's see what's going on here. Oh, these are some meme coin people. All right, I'll have to call him back. U.S. government moves 10,000 Bitcoin to Coinbase. Is the government ooh, ugh. They might be wanting to sell. Oh my god, and that is so messed up. And I'm gonna tell you why. Because Trump would not be selling, what was it, almost $100 million worth. I mean, almost $1 billion worth of Bitcoin. Why are they sending it to Coinbase? U.S. government moves 1.92 billion worth of Bitcoin to a new address. Oh man, this literally. This literally could be the Democrats literally getting rid of their Bitcoin for the government before he gets into office, knowing that he's pro crypto and trying to make a Bitcoin reserve. I mean, this is crazy. This is disgusting. If they literally sell $1.92 billion or even $1 billion worth of Bitcoin before he steps into office as a little power move, man, I'd just be disgusted. I really would. That would be them trying to dump the price of Bitcoin. Also getting rid of Bitcoin that they know Trump will make part of the, the government's the Federal Reserve that he wants to create for Bitcoin. He wants to create the Bitcoin Reserve. Oh wow, Coinbase now allows users to purchase crypto with Apple Pay. That's cool. That's cool. I like that. This scares me, and it really just disgusting. Unless, what if they're buying selling their Bitcoin and buying XRP. Just saying. Or Ethereum. Don't think that's the move, but Micro Saylor bought another 1.5 billion in Bitcoin. And don't get me wrong, if the government sold $1 billion worth of Bitcoin, it would be it wouldn't just destroy the market. It wouldn't make a huge dent in Bitcoin. Wow. Bitcoin miner Marathon Digital to raise up to buy more Bitcoin. 805 million to buy more Bitcoin. Almost $1 billion. It's a lot of money. But Wisdom Tree officially files S1 for its spot XRP ETF. Micro Saylor meets with Microsoft's board to discuss adopting Bitcoin. Bernie Sanders says Elon Musk is right and agrees for the Department of Government Efficiency to investigate the Pentagon after it failed its 7th financial audit. All right, let's see what else we got on here today, though. We got a lot. Watcher Guru is a great page. Also, please subscribe and follow not only my YouTube channel, but also my Twitter, my X account, All In With Alex. If you type All In With Alex, it should be able to find it. Also, I'm going to be actually changing the name to my YouTube page to either All In With Mitch or All In With Alex. So XRP meme coins are hitting the market. Look at all these. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. LedgerBot XRP meme coins. Oh, wow. So, sounds like I'm going to do a video on XRP meme coins. Let me do some research and... Wow. Let me do some research on this and let me get back to making a video, creating a token. This is definitely going to be big. XRP meme coins. I definitely am going to do a whole page on it. I also did find this XRP on Solana meme coin. I did call it out at 2 mil or 1.5 mil market cap. Over last night, it went up to 5.6 mil. We have dropped since then due to Solana dropping. This one's still going good. I think, yeah, Photon is only for Solana, so we're not going to be on there. But let's do something here. Actually, not this page. Let's go to DEX. Now, let's actually try this. Let's see if they have XRP. They don't. Okay. That's fine. Here we go. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do some research. Let me just go. I don't know if this is. Here we go. Hi guys, I'm thinking about getting on the XRP train, but I don't want to use a SEX because of the fees. Are there DEXs I can use the XRP in States? The XRP ledger itself is the original DEX. There are on-ramps within XM that you could use. You can also use an app within XM to trade, otherwise you have to purchase. Getting phone calls at an exchange. So, long story short, let me do some research on this. And I'm gonna do an XRP. Am I not logged in? I'm gonna do a whole XRP meme coin. Nope, this isn't the right. We're gonna do a whole XRP meme coin video. Okay. Alright guys. I'm gonna end it here. Have a great day. Talk to you guys soon.